Hi, I'm Gabriel Charvet, 19 years old, and I'm a third-year college student. Yung grandmother ko, we've always been living in close proximity with each other. Ever since I was in preschool, grade school, yung grandma ko yung laging nagbabantay sa akin. Parang I'm not at that age naman na kailangan na ako bantayan. We kind of coexist. Tapos kapag may kailangan siya or may kailangan kami, we're there for each other. Since we live in close proximity to each other, kapag may kailangan siya sa house na hindi niya kaya gawin mag-isa, so in regards sa technology or may kailangan siya linisin sa bahay niya na kunwari hindi niya abot, ako yung pinapapunta doon ng mom ko. Then recently, kapag kailangan siya samahan sa check-up, since yung lola ko hindi siya marunong mag-book ng Grab by herself, so kailangan ko siya samahan. I still think of it as a positive experience. Parang hindi naman labag sa loob ko na tinutulungan ko yung lola ko kasi siya yung nagpalaki sa akin and tumulong sa akin when I was younger. Pero with my lola, hindi kami yung tipong nag-heart-to-heart talk. Pero since we've been together for a long time, parang naiintindihan namin isa't isa kung ano kailangan namin. Pag tinutulungan ko siya, doon ko rin nararamdaman na kapag may gusto siya ikwento, so pinapakinggan ko lang din siya. Tapos kapag may kausap yung lola ko sa phone, parang sinasabi niya buti nga yung apo ko naalala pa ako ngayon. Tapos parang hindi kasi siya super affectionate, pero pag na-overhear ko yung mga ganung bagay, na-realize ko na may impact pala talaga sa kanya. Iba-iba kasi talaga ng needs yung mga grandparents, so I can't really say something for everyone, pero I feel like a piece of advice I would want to say is parang wag niyo nakatamaran yung tulungan yung grandparents niyo kasi in the long run, it's your way of giving back them to them and it's much more fulfilling